Hey friends, so in this quick tutorial I want to show to you how to create a Zoom meeting with a link and how to share that link with others. So there's actually a couple ways that you can do that. First of all, what you want to do is you want to download the Zoom app on your computer. If you don't have it, just enter Zoom into Google and just choose download the Zoom app. And once you get into the website, basically just you want to download it from either for Windows or Mac OS, depends which one you want, right? So just do that, have it on your computer, right, as an app that's downloaded. And then you go to schedule over here. You will see, like, click on schedule. Now you have a couple of options that you can choose. Basically, you want to create a name for this, like it automatically pre-populated the name for it. So let's say I can choose today, and let's say it will start like in 15 minutes from the video that I'm shooting, right? And the meeting ID is going to be generated automatically. That's the most important part over here, right? And now I can choose meeting security. I can choose a couple of things that will happen. So first of all, I can have a passcode if I wanted to have it for my videos, but I usually don't do that. What you want to do is you can have people go into waiting room, right? So basically, once they go into waiting room, you as a host will have to choose, like, to let them in, right? This little tab going to open up on your meeting to let you know that you have some people that want to be let in. And basically that's it, what you need to choose over here. Now what you want to do is you want to click save on this one. And once you do that, then you'll go to meetings over here and you will see this specific meeting that I'm having here in 11 minutes. So if you click on these three dots over here, you can just click copy invitation, and then you can send this invitation to whoever you want, and then you start the meeting, and the people will be able to join with the link. Now there's some other way that I usually use when I have like specific group of people or just one person I want to meet. If I don't have a recurring link, which you can find, by the way, in another video I created how to create a recurring link in Zoom. So basically the same link is always used for the group of people or just two people. But another way, you start new meeting. You click new meeting over here, and you choose like the microphone video over here. Like I choose the camera, FaceTime HD, and the audio I can choose, for example, the microphone I'm using right now, the Rode Podcaster, right? And once the meeting starts, right, what I can do right now is I click on participants over here, right? And at the bottom you will see invite. So I click on invite, and now some options open up. And the best one for me is just you click Gmail, right? And then over here I can just enter someone's email. I click to, and this sort of already pre-created email will be sent to them with the link to join. It sometimes seems a little bit spammy. Some people are afraid to click this link sometimes, I've noticed. So you can just also, if you want, you could just copy this one, add it to some sort of an email if you want to do. There are multiple options to do it. Okay, so this is another one that you can do. And yeah, once again, you will see there's not going to be any waiting room over here because you haven't created that. So just people will be able, those who got the link will be able to join in on the lesson that you have, right? And you will see them as participants here. You will be able to mute them, remove their video if you wanted to. So yeah, that's the way you can do it with Zoom. You have a couple of ways to basically create a meeting with a link and then invite people to your meeting. I hope it was interesting and useful. If you like tutorials like these, consider subscribing, and I will see you in a future video.